Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to create conditional questionnaires in Google Form. Now let's go ahead and create a blank Google Form right here. And for us to go ahead and create a conditional, what we need to do is we need to create a question that allows the users to answer, and then based on that answer, we'll go to different sections. So say for example, right here, let's create a question. Do you prefer cats or dogs? Right? And then the options would be cats or dogs right here. Now, based on their answer, you will go ahead and go to a new section. So what we need to do is to go ahead and click on more options right here. And then we can click on go to section based on answer. So since we don't have any sections at the moment, we need to go ahead and click on this one right here. So it says add section. So we will have a section right here, which is for questions for dogs answers right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and create a section as well for questions for cat answers. And then you can go ahead and go to, or you can go ahead and create more questions in here. So say for example, why do you prefer dogs? Right there. And then we go here at the bottom, add a question. Why do you prefer cats? And so, and of course you can go ahead and change the answer type right here to save a paragraph. The same for this one, which is a paragraph right here. Now, if we go back to this question, as you can see, there is this part that says continue to next section after section 1, but because we have made it so that we go to the section based on the answer, we can go ahead and in here, go to, for the cats one, go to section 3, and for the dogs one, go to section 2, right there. Now if we go ahead and preview what that looks like, right here. So it goes into this question, do you prefer cats or dogs? So if I go to say dogs right here, and then click on next, you can see we go straight to the dogs section right here and go straight to the question. Now, but if we go back and say we prefer cats, it goes into the cats section right there. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.